Hello, it's Miss Debo wishing you all a very good morning. Hope you all are keeping fine during this period of lockdown, isn't it? So, without wasting time, today let's begin a new lesson that is elements, compound, and mixture. As you all studied in the previous class, that every material is made up of matter. And matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Every matter is made up of atoms and molecules. I hope you all remember the structure of an atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. It consists of a nucleus. The nucleus consists of positively charged particles called protein and neutron, which is neutrally charged. It has number of electrons which revolve round the nucleus. So I hope you all remember the structure of atom very well. Out of this, proton is positively charged and electron is negatively charged. This is all about the structure of an atom. When atom combines, it forms elements and compounds. First of all, it forms molecules, and many molecules combine together to form elements and compound. Now the question is, what is an element? An element is a substance which is made up of same kind of atom. So, if you consider the element of iron, it is made up of atom of Fe. If you consider gold, it is made up of atom of Au. No matter how many atoms are there, but all the atoms are of same type, that is, iron consists of Fe and gold consists of Au. There are 120 elements which exist on this nature. Elements are pure substance. They are made up of only one kind of particles. They may exist naturally or may be prepared artificially, and they exist in all the three physical states. These elements are again classified into four main groups, that is metals, non-metals, metalloids, and noble or inert gases. About metals, you have already studied in class 6. Again, let's explain it. Metals have shining surface. They are usually lustrous. Metals can be drawn into long wires. That is why they are known as ductile. This property is known as ductility. Metals can be hammered into sheets, so they are known as malleable. Metals are very good conductors of heat and electricity. Some common metals are sodium, magnesium, calcium, potassium, silver, gold, etc. Now next group of element is non-metals. Non-metals generally have dull surface, that is, they were not shining at all. They are non-malleable. They cannot be drawn into sheets. They are non-ductile. they cannot be drawn into wires, and they are very poor conductor of heat and electricity. They are generally liquid or gases at room temperature. I must tell you here that metals are mostly solid in nature. So examples of nonmetals are hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. Now the third group of elements are metalloids. They are also known as semi-metals. In other words, you can say they show the properties of both metals and non-metals. To some extent they are metallic or they may be non-metallic. Very few elements come in this group. These are arsenic, boron, silicon, etc. Now the last group of element are the noble gases. These gases are generally inactive, that is, they do not react with any other element exist on this nature. They remain inactive. These are very less in number and they are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So this is all about today's assignment. I hope you all have understood it well. I request you all to read page 30 and 31, and your assignment for today is to write the characteristic of metals, non-metals, metalloids and inert gases. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening to me so silently. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.